Experiential learning to me means getting out there in the field, putting yourself out there in positions you haven't been in before that may be uncomfortable, and just learning by doing.
Participating in experiential learning programs helps us understand what working in the legal field looks like, so that way when we leave Vanderbilt Law School, we're not doing some of these tasks or jobs for the first time. We actually have some sort of knowledge as to what it means to be an attorney and what it means to use our legal knowledge to help people.
There is a gap between the theory of law in some respects and the practice of law, and experiential learning bridges that gap while you're in law school.
Vanderbilt offers many experiences, from externships to judicial internships to clinics, to be able to get out in the field and do just that.
Clinics at Vanderbilt offer students the opportunity to dive into practice and actually engage with clients, counsel, and courts in their representation of individuals. Vanderbilt offers a range of clinics, from the First Amendment to immigration to criminal defense practice to IP to housing and more. And these opportunities allow for students to develop their skills, learn about new practice areas, and invest in the Tennessee and broader community.
Our live client clinics are taught by full-time faculty members, which I think is distinctive. We don't have staff attorneys staffing the clinic. Each faculty member teaches a group of no more than 8 students each semester, and the students are the lawyers for the clients. Students actually in the role feel like lawyers. They understand the ethical duties of lawyers and how sometimes you get torn by those ethical duties, and they learn what it feels like to really care about what happens to a client. So the students, I think, come to clinic and leave clinic feeling like, oh, now I know why I went to law school. I wanted to be a lawyer. This is what I wanted to do.
Clinical education is an amazing type of experiential education that can complement other types of experiential learning that students get to do here at Vanderbilt Law School. The students are really in the driver's seat. So in my clinic and in many of our other clinics, the students are actually the lead attorneys on the cases.
Clinics are very hands-on. Part of it depends on which clinic you're in terms of how many clients you have. I had one client who was entirely mine the whole time, so it was my responsibility to set up meetings with them and to communicate with them and to write up their eventual application. I had a partner, and so we split some of the work, but it was all on the students. We were the only people in the room meeting with the client, and we were the only people calling the client, and so it was incredibly hands-on in that sense.
In the immigration clinic, I really loved it because I got to learn how to interview a client on several occasions, and not just interview the client, but interview their relatives, and we really got to know this whole family and really bond with them and take those stories and really put them down in the written word and then help them fill out the rest of the application, and then at the end, file it in.
Coming into law school, I had gone straight through from undergrad to law school, and I knew that I didn't have quite as much work experience as some of my peers. So I wanted to be able to get externships or internships during law school to be able to supplement that and help myself hit the ground running once I actually graduated.
Externships allow students to receive credit for working at a nonprofit organization, a government agency, DA's office, public defender's office, judicial chambers, or corporate legal office. In those experiences, the students will learn how the lawyers at those sites practice law.
I've been able, through Vanderbilt, to get involved in externships that directly related to some of my classes. I've been able to be involved with a private boutique here in Nashville that deals with cutting-edge issues, from federal white-collar crime to national hemp and marijuana dealings. I've been fortunate to review statutes that come directly from committees in Congress. I've been fortunate to sit in federal trials, and I've gotten to learn a wealth of other information that I wouldn't if I didn't put myself out there and learn by doing.
Vanderbilt has this cool program called the Pro Bono Pledge, and it's just a pledge to do pro bono work. Not scary, but it's a great way to push yourself to get involved in the community. You can do that through clinics. You can do that through organizations called Street Law. You can do that through our pro bono listserv that Vanderbilt sends out weekly. There's so many opportunities to get involved, and then if you complete the pledge, you get recognized. It's fantastic.
When you're in law school, particularly your first year when you're taking a lot of your more time-intensive courses, you're spending a lot of time and energy learning the law and reading about the law and regurgitating the law in front of your classmates and your professors. But you don't have a lot of time to use that knowledge to help people or work in the interest areas that you eventually want to work in. Experiential learning and the programs that we have here at Vanderbilt Law School designed to achieve that purpose help us use the knowledge that we spend so much of our time cultivating to actually help the people that we want to help or work in the areas that we want to work in.
Doing experiential work bridged the gap, and it showed me that what I was learning in theory had a real practical impact, and that I would be able to do that type of work one day in real legal practice.